Do it if you're falling down. If the airplane goes down, it is important to act quickly and follow these steps. Follow the crew's instructions. They are trained to deal with emergencies. Assume a safe posture. Lean forward, straddle your knees, and protect your head with something you can do, such as a pillow. Check your seatbelt. It should be buckled tightly and low on your pelvis. Stay calm. This will help you think clearly and react in case you need to evacuate. Know where the exits are. Be prepared to evacuate and wear an oxygen mask if necessary. These actions will help minimize risks and improve your chances of safe survival. So,